Unlocking positivity. Let's stay positive. Explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that's not only common in English conversations but also carries a powerful message. Let's stay positive. This phrase is more than just words. It's an attitude, a way of looking at life, especially during challenging times. So, whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore the depth and usage of this uplifting phrase together. At its core, "let's stay positive" is an encouragement to maintain a hopeful and optimistic attitude, despite any difficulties or negative situations that may arise. It's a reminder that, although we may face challenges, our outlook and mindset can significantly impact our experience and the outcome. When someone says this phrase, they're not just asking you to be happy without reason. They're suggesting that focusing on the positive aspects can help us cope better with whatever life throws our way. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various situations, whether personal, professional, or social. Here are a few examples. During tough times, when someone is going through a difficult period, saying, "let's stay positive," can offer comfort and remind them that there's light at the end of the tunnel. In a team setting, if a team faces obstacles or setbacks, this phrase can boost morale and encourage members to keep looking for solutions instead of dwelling on the problems. For self-motivation, you can also use this phrase to encourage yourself when facing personal challenges or goals. It's important to use this phrase genuinely and sensitively, considering the context and the feelings of those involved. Staying positive has profound effects on our mental and physical health. It's not about ignoring the negative aspects of life but rather choosing to focus on the positive ones. This mindset can lead to better stress management. Positivity helps in reducing the impact of stress on our bodies and minds. Improved problem solving. A positive outlook enhances creativity and the ability to think of solutions. Stronger relationships. Positivity is contagious and can strengthen the bonds between people. Overall well-being. Maintaining a positive attitude contributes to happiness and can improve our overall quality of life. "Let's stay positive" is more than just an expression. It's a valuable approach to life that can help us navigate through its ups and downs. By embracing this phrase and the mindset it represents, we can face challenges more effectively and enjoy a more fulfilling life. I hope this video has inspired you to adopt a positive outlook, no matter what comes your way. Remember, positivity is a choice, and it's one that can change your life for the better. Thank you for watching, and stay positive.